So here we are, we're in chapter 10. We covered a lot of ground so far. And in chapter 9, we dealt with object-oriented programming. And we're going to continue that in chapter 10, but we're going to continue it in a way that involves a concept called inheritance. Now, most of you would think when you hear the word inheritance, somebody's passed away or somebody's died, and you have now inherited their belongings. It's kind of similar in a way. So let's say we create a class, and the class is called letter. It's a type of mail. Let's go ahead and do that. We're going to create a class called letter. I want us to create our classes here. We'll start down at number 10. There's our letter. Our letter has some accessors. We've got name and date, get and set, and it also has a string that will let you know what type. So it'll invoke the get type method to name, mailed, the date. Okay. So we've got some functionality here, and that's our initial class. Now they want us to create two classes. And the two classes are going to be similar. The first one was letter, and now the second one's going to be a type of letter. And this type of letter is a certified letter. Now, a certified letter is a letter just the same, but it's a special letter. So we will call it certified letter, colon letter. So it inherits all the attributes and functionality of the letter class. Declaring certified letter as instance of letter, inheriting all the attributes and functionality of letter. And it also has some additional attributes, or an additional attribute of a tracking number. A normal letter does not have that, but an instance of a letter that is a special instance of a letter called certified letter does have that attribute. So I can declare either instance. And we're going to declare, let's come up in our main. Let's go ahead and write our code up here. I'm going to declare two instances. One's a letter, and the other is a certified letter. So an instance of letter called letter 1 is a letter. An instance of certified letter, we'll call that letter 2. It's a certified letter object. Now, those two things, let's go ahead and we're going to add some code in here that sets and gets some values. So letter 1, it's an instance of letter. We'll call it an electric company letter, and it has a date. Letter 2, it's an instance of the certified letter. It has the name and a date and a tracking number. We'll go ahead and output that data in write lines. Let's go ahead and run this and see what it does. Letter 2, okay. Letter 2, so it's the name of the object to electric company, date, mailed, colon, boom. So here's our name, and here's our date. Same thing, but now we go to certified letter, date, mail, tracking number. There we go. We added that tracking number to the output for letter 2. Okay? So we've got each one laid out to where a certified letter inherits the attributes of a letter. Okay, does it make sense? All right. So I'll see you in the next one, 10-2.